Like triple double seal this thing.
Don't cut yourself. And also, what's it say on the top?
Caution when opening with sharp edges.
That means we probably don't put the knife deep in there, so you don't cut it.
Okay, first item. Should I do like a whole?
Yeah.
Oh. That's longer than I thought. Okay. This is scary.
We could turn more lights on. Wrong way.
No.
This one. Ta-da!
This is the case. Yes. It's beautiful. Should I take it like out?
Yeah. This is the hard case, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
It's beautiful.
What is this?
It's like a hoodie or something.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on. Wow.
Very nice.
More clothing.
Ooh.
This is so fancy.
Fancy.
Another like hoodie thing.
Is it like a windbreaker material, or is it like a zip up, just a zip up jacket?
I think it's just like a
Nylon?
jacket.
Oh, I'm hearing the paper inside of it rustle.
Yeah.
That's what I thought it was.
Who's that?
That's cute.
It's
Cutesy.
cute. Should I take what I think are my sticks out first?
Yeah. I want to see what stick you got.
Alright. I'm guessing this is 6. I'm gonna end up
Yeah.
murdering some.
That tape, that kind of tape is like, it has strings.
How are you supposed to open it?
You want me to get scissors? Scissors probably work better with the strings.
It'll be fun. I got this.
Okay.
Maybe. There's an end. I can just peel it off. Maybe.
There you go. Just rip it.
So let's see. Okay. Let's get this out.
Yeah, just throw it on the floor.
First one. This is the breadstick. Comes in a fancy case.
How can you tell it's brake stick? Does it say on it?
Yeah, it's a PP rush.
Nice.
Oh, it comes in another bag.
A bag in a bag in a bag. Da, 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 da. I'm I'm jealous.
I'm gonna set out my prized possessions. Next one.
Very nice.
This is the jump.
I want to see your shooting stick so bad. All right.
We'll get to it.
Okay.
Be
Keep us in
patient.
suspense.
There's 3 other bags,
Shafts, probably,
I guess.
because 2 Revo shafts.
Okay. It's a shaft for the break stick. I mean, not break stick. Jump stick.
I think I've only used an Air Rush one time. They're pretty good.
There's like something in there.
Very good. Very good.
Oh dear. What is this?
Oh, that's the cleaning pads.
Oh. Okay. This is gonna be a really long video.
A bag and a bag. I know, I'm at like 6 minutes already.
My beautiful Air Rush.
Oh, it's gold. Yeah, I forgot you ordered the gold one.
Yeah. They don't exactly match, but it's okay. They're still beautiful.
They are beautiful. They'll match your new shirt design.
Yeah, they will. Whatever you have. I didn't even know what this was, so I don't know what this is. It's a butt. It's the throne.
The throne?
I think, right? The icon says icon on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. It's the throne.
It's beautiful.
Wow, that is fabulous.
Wow.
The light reflects it a little bit, so it's hard to see.
It's wonderful.
Oh,
Are you still showcasing?
little girl, you have better sticks than I do now.
No, I feel so like spoiled. And then this is just another shaft. A Revo shaft. And then I think this is just another.
Another Revo shaft, yeah. 2 Revos was what?
Okay. And then this is just the extension.
Yeah, that's the Revo. Oh yeah, I don't even have an extension either.
Extension.
Sweet.
Oops.
What else do you have in your bag?
Oh, I'm stepping on.
Bubble wrap.
That is a lot of gloves.
Holy moly.
This is chalk. Predator pure.
That's a lot of chalk too.
Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 gloves. It's a lot of gloves.
At least you won't run out.
Gloves for life.
Yeah. Hopefully they're the right size because we went by the measurement. Yeah, we went by the measurement on the website. What did we determine was extra small?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. They're supposed to be second skin. How's it feel?
That's pretty nice.
Nice. The thumb, yeah.
Thumbs a little bit.
They said the closed fingers hopefully might be coming out.
I can probably get used to it.
I think so too. We'll try it out. It is beautiful.
Oops.
Yeah, I'm curious to try on an extra small at some point.
Okay. There's a bunch more stuff. I need some more clothing.
Wow.
I'm like getting spoiled over here.
I know, it's like early Christmas.
I know. Maybe I should have like opened it on.
I mean, this is way more than you're actually getting for Christmas. Pants. Nice. I didn't know Predator had pants.
Maybe they're special for the team.
How much stuff is in there?
What?
What? Okay.
I'm like loaded with Predator stuff.
Wow. Wow. Another shirt. Swaggy.
Swaggy. Guess what? Another Predator shirt.
And they're like all different.
I'm just gonna be rocking Predator merch every single day now. Pro level.
Pro level. Nice. I'm still fixated on
Throne.
the throne. And your BK Rush and your Air Rush.
Another shirt. Unlimited shirt. Oh. Fancy.
Nice. Yeah, that one's a nice one for low-key tournaments. Like if you don't want to wear a jersey, it's still a collared shirt. But
Yeah.
that's real nice.
It's exciting.
We'll have to take all the stuff in your bag and take the pictures in one of the outfits at Top Shelf this weekend.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to be quick. 'Cause
Yeah, we're at 12 minutes already.
another jersey or shirt thing.
Nice.
Collared shirt with the American
With the
flag.
American flag on it. Very nice.
It's crazy.
Crazy.
Okay. Last shirt, maybe.
Last shirt.
Or pants?
What else do we have in here? Oh, there's still something down in there.
There's something. It doesn't look like the same pants.
Oh, those are nice too.
Yeah. About to be decked out.
Like,
It's a lot of stuff. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna have to like.
dump it onto you.
Just gonna take out the last few.
Yeah. More chalk.
It's like 6 things of chalk right there. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is the
The weight,
cloth.
is it the what?
The cloth?
Oh, yeah, cleaning cloth.
Yeah. Last thing out of the 5 things.
That looks like it might be the weight kit.
Yeah, I'm guessing. I don't really know what a weight kit looks like.
Yeah, I've seen one. I think that's a weight kit. Yeah, that's the weight adjustment kit.
Fancy.
Fancy. Yeah, super fancy.
This is exciting.
Very exciting.
Yeah.
Say thank you, Predator.
Thank